Hey guys, today I'm going to be putting a 3-inch lift on the front end of my pickup truck, and I got them from Torch Industries. Torch Off-Road, supposed to be pretty good stuff. It's going to be a 3-inch lift. And they go on the top part of your strut. I've done put new struts on. It's been several years back, but I was unaware they made these, so we're going to try to level the front of my truck up. I'm going to measure my passenger side in the center of my rim down to my fender flare. It's 34.5 inches. The back measures 37 inches. So that's 2.5 inches different. And I got a 3-inch lift. We're going to see if that changes it. If we can get it up 3 inches, that'll be awesome. And you want to hold your bottom part of your sway bar. I put a jack under my A-arm. Get pressure off my sway bar. Now that should, I'm going to let the pressure off my jack. That should drop my sway bar out of the bushing here. Now I want to put a little pressure back on it. I got my bushing and everything out. Now I want to take pressure off my ball joint. Now I want to take a little pressure off my jack. Drop that down a little bit. Now you want to take your bottom shock off. Yeah, I'm gonna take my jack. Put a little pressure on it, see if that helps it. And if that don't help it, take the pressure off your jack some. And that'll let you drop your strut out of the way. Man, it's tight. That's tight right there. I've got to jack up my sway bar. There, you want to hold your sway bar shaft with a wrench to keep it from spinning. And there's the finished product. That's an 1.5 inch spacer. And that's supposed to raise this lower A-arm 3 inches. And I can tell by looking at the caliber, it's a whole lot lower, closer to the ground. So by the time I jack it up and put my tire and wheel back on, it's going to raise the truck up quite a bit. Originally when I started, this was 34 1/4 of an inch. Measuring from the center of my wheel up to my bottom of my fender flare. And now I'm 37 1/4. That's exactly 3 inches. And you can tell by looking at the truck, it's sitting level. Not on level ground, but the back and the front are the same height off the ground. And then looking at the front, I've only got the passenger side done. You can tell that the truck is not sitting level. Passenger side's up 3 inches higher than the other side. Getting late in the day, and I'm going to do the other side tomorrow. Hey guys, thanks for watching.